Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this little bad boy right here. Influencer just sent me a new box and I have not opened it yet. It is still sealed, tape on. So we're going to open it and see what goodies are inside of it. So if you want to find out, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on in and get started. So like I just said, Influencer sent me a new box. What is Influencer? You may wonder. It is a company that you fill out surveys, and if you match their requirements, they will send you items for free, no cost to you, and all you have to do is review it. So we're going to find out what's in this box that I have to review. If you guys want to sign up for Influencer, it does not matter if you are on YouTube or do anything like that. You can still get products for completely free, and all you have to do is review them. And if you want to find out how you can do that, I will leave a link in the description box below so you can go and sign up for your account that is completely free as well. It is both for men and women. So enough rambling about that. Let's open this up and see what's in it. Okay, so first thing right on top, this is what I'm looking at. And this is from Benefit. Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Right there. It says Precisely My Brow Pencil, ultra fine brow shaping and defining pencil with an unbreakable tip that draws incredibly natural hair-like strokes. Now available in 8 shades. Right on. Okay, so, and let me show you real quick. Let me move this box out of my way. Here are the shades that they have right here. So, let's see what shade that they sent me. They sent me, what is it, 4.5. What is that? What's 4.5? Oh, that's a new one. And it is the medium to dark brown. Okay. So this is what it looks like in the packaging, just like that. And, oh, guy, they're out there blowing stuff around. Of course they would. Says it's a 12-hour wear and it's waterproof. Yes, please. Thank you very, very much. Okay, let's open it up. Try to open it up. And I wish some of these little cards that they send you, it tells you how much it is. This one does not. And that's all that's in the box. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So there's one more little thing in here. Let me get it out. It's probably like instructions or something. Or something like that. That's empty. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This looks like a weapon. Like, right? That's what it looks like. Okay. Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm assuming this is the pencil part. Yes, this is the pencil part. You roll it up a little bit. Okay, that's what it looks like. Can I roll it back down? Yes, I can. Okay, and I'm guessing this is a spoolie on this end. Yes. Ooh, that's nice and soft. I'm kind of digging how this looks. Like, I think it's kind of cool looking. So, yeah, okay. We're also going to try this out and see how it goes. And just conveniently, I didn't actually do my brows today. So we're going to give her a go. So this would be like a first impression. And then, yeah, there we go. Little hair-like strokes. Cool. Okay. We'll give her a go. See how it looks. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so far you don't have to press too hard. Like you have to put, let me just think. Oh, that's too much, I feel like. Let's go to town. It does fill in pretty nicely. I will say that. I feel like you don't use too much product either. That actually did a really good job. I'm going to definitely play with this for a while and see what I think. And then I'll give you a full review on it. But as of right now, I'm really digging it. But you guys know that anything that says it's waterproof, I always test it to make sure that it's legit waterproof. Because a lot of companies will say, yeah, we're waterproof, and then it's not. And you guys know that I cannot stand that. Like, it irks me to no end. Alright, we'll see how the spoolie goes. I mean, you can't really screw up a spoolie, but I'm kind of digging it. And it's not, like, it's not too hard. I'm going to tell you now, the boyfriend's not going to like it because he doesn't like it when I do my brows. But that's okay. He knows. But yeah, okay. So far, I really like it. Again, I'm going to go do a more in-depth review after I've tried it out for a little while so you guys can know for sure how I like it, if I don't like it, if I love it, if I hate it, if it goes in the trash. But, yeah. So, that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, why haven't you? Please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.